Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Building remote Minecraft servers using Azure Functions in C.NET. This tutorial guides you through creating a system that uses Azure Functions to remotely manage Minecraft servers. This includes starting, stopping, and checking the status of Minecraft servers running on separate virtual machines, VMS. We'll use C.NET for the Azure Functions, Azure VMS for the Minecraft servers, and Azure Storage for storing configuration. Why Azure Functions for Minecraft server management? *scalability *Azure Functions scale automatically based on demand. *cost-effective *you only pay for the compute time your functions use. *event-driven functions can be triggered by HTTP requests, timers, queues, or other events, making them ideal for scheduling and reacting to server events. Integration Azure Functions integrate seamlessly with other Azure services like storage, VMS, and monitoring tools. Security Azure Functions offer robust security features, including authentication and authorization. Prerequisites Azure subscription You need an active Azure subscription. If you don't have one, you can create a free account. Azure CLI installed and configured to connect to your Azure subscription. .NET SDK latest .NET SDK installed. Visual Studio or VS Code a suitable IDE for C development. Basic Azure knowledge familiarity with Azure resources like resource groups, VMS, storage accounts, and functions. Minecraft server setup experience with setting up and configuring a Minecraft server on Linux or Windows. PowerShell/Bash familiarity with scripting to interact with the VMS. Architecture overview Steps 1. Set up Azure resources create a resource group. Create an Azure storage account. Create an Azure function app. Consumption plan is suitable for most use cases. Create Azure VMS for your Minecraft servers. 2. Configure Minecraft server VMS install a Minecraft server, example Spigot, Paper, Vanilla, on each VM. Configure the server settings, example server.properties, bookie.yml, etc. Enable SSH access to the VMS for remote management. Install necessary tools on the VMS, example Screen, Tmux, Java. 3. Develop Azure Functions create the following functions. Start server, starts the Minecraft server on a specified VM. Stop server, stops the Minecraft server on a specified VM. Check server status, checks the status of the Minecraft server on a specified VM. Get server details, retrieves configuration details from Azure Storage. 4. Implement configuration management store VM connection details, IP address, username, SSH key/password, and Minecraft server configurations in Azure Storage, example table storage, blob storage, or Cosmos DB. 5. Implement error handling and logging implement robust error handling within the functions. Use Azure Application Insights for logging and monitoring. 6. Security considerations Use managed identities for the Azure Function app to access Azure resources securely without storing credentials in code. Consider using Azure Key Vault for storing sensitive information. Restrict network access to the VMS. Detailed implementation 1. Setting up Azure resources, using Azure CLI. 2. Configuring Minecraft Server VMS ****. This is a high-level outline. Specific steps depend on your chosen Minecraft server implementation. Connect to the VM via SSH *SSH as a user at VM_public_IP. Install Java sudo apt update and sudo apt install default JRE, for Ubuntu. Download Minecraft server jar download the server jar file from the official Minecraft website or a reliable source for Spigot/paper. Create a startup script, example start.sh. Install screen or tmux sudo apt install screen, for Ubuntu. This lets the server run in the background. Run the server screen s minecraft/start.sh, or tmux new s minecraft/start.sh. Configure firewall allow inbound traffic on port 25565, or your server's configured port, on the Azure VM's network security group. In the Azure portal, navigate to the VM, then networking, then add inbound port rule. Set destination port range to 25565, protocol to TCP, and action to allow. 3. Develop Azure Functions, C.NET. Create a new Azure Functions project in Visual Studio or VS Code. Choose the HTTP trigger template for each function. Install required NuGet packages *. 3.1 Start server function *. 3.2 Stop server function *. 3.3 Check server status function *. 3.4 Get server details function *. 4. Implementing configuration management, Azure Table Storage example. Adapt the code to use Blob Storage, Cosmos DB, or your preferred storage solution. Explanation ***. Storage account connection string ** an environment variable containing the connection string to your Azure storage account. Store this securely in the function app's configuration settings. Server configurations ** the name of the table in Azure Table Storage. Create this table if it doesn't exist. Partition key equals Minecraft ** all server configurations belong to the Minecraft partition for easier management. Row key equals VM name ** the VM name uniquely identifies the server configuration within the partition. Server details table entity ** a class that maps the properties of the server configuration to columns in the table. Adding server configurations to table storage **. You can use the Azure Storage Explorer, Azure CLI, or a separate application to add entries to the server configurations table. Example data **. Partition key row key resource group name username IP address SSH key. Minecraft MC Server VM1 Minecraft RG as a user 1.2.3.4 begin RSA private key, Minecraft MC Server VM2 Minecraft RG as a user 5.6.7.8 begin RSA private key, 5. Implementing error handling and logging ***. Use try-catch blocks * around potentially failing operations, example SSH connections, Azure API calls, with try-catch blocks. Log exceptions with log.log error, capture exception details, including the EX message and EX stack trace, and log them using the iLogger instance. Use structured logging when logging, provide context information, example VM name, function name, timestamp, to make logs easier to analyze. Use Azure Application Insights * enable application insights for your function app to collect telemetry data, requests, exceptions, dependencies, etc. 6. Security considerations ****. Managed identities * enable a system-assigned or user-assigned managed identity for your function app. This allows the function app to authenticate to other Azure resources, like VMS, storage, without requiring you to store credentials in code or configuration. To enable system-assigned managed identity through the Azure portal, navigate to your Azure function app, select Identity under Settings. Set status to On and click Save. To assign roles to the managed identity using Azure CLI. Azure Key Vault store sensitive information, like SSH private keys or database passwords, in Azure Key Vault and retrieve them in your functions using managed identities or Azure Active Directory application credentials. Network security groups, NSGs restrict network access to your VMS. Allow only necessary ports, example SSH port 22 for management, Minecraft server port 25565, from specific IP addresses or CIDR blocks. Authentication and authorization if your functions are exposed publicly, implement authentication and authorization to control who can access them. Azure Functions offers built-in support for Azure Active Directory and other identity providers. Example using Managed Identity and Azure SDK *. Modify the Authenticate to Azure method in the functions. Sharp. Using Azure.Identity. Using Azure.Resource Manager. Using Azure.Resource Manager.Compute. Private static async task ARM client authenticate to Azure, iLogger. Try. / create a managed identity credential. var credential equals new default Azure credential. / create an ARM client. var ARM client equals new ARM client, credential. Return ARM client. Catch, exception X. Log error, $error authenticating to Azure using managed identity, EX message. Throw. Private static async task start Azure VM, string resource group name, string VM name, iLogger. Try. / authenticate to Azure. var ARM client equals await authenticate to Azure, log. / get the resource group. var resource group resource equals ARM client get resource group resource identifier create. Your subscription ID, resource group name. / get the virtual machine. var VM resource identifier equals virtual machine resource create resource identifier. Your subscription ID, resource group name, VM name. var VM equals ARM client get virtual machine resource, VM resource identifier. Virtual machine data VM data equals VM.data. / check the current state of the VM. If VM data.power state equals power state.deallocated. / start the VM. Await VM.power on async, wait until.